ngisdang ya kan ka project ngiform nang ko yang ka IBCS society kan nadu araja katnya ho pernah Oktober kendai tarik
Following his footsteps to work from the grassroots level to lift the country's development, the village came under the leadership of its far-sighted leader, Mr. Chester Wadri, who is the headman and the VC of the KMIBCS. As a leader, he tried his best to promote the life of all people in his village by introducing ways and means to earn the livelihood and to come up with new ideas. Speaking to media, he said that the society started from October 9, 2017. The area of the operation of the project include 131 households, and all of them get benefit from this project. This project includes planting of trees, open well project, and others. This village is a model village, which brings a ray of hope to a number of villages in the area, and through this project, the headman expressed satisfaction, since it is the first time in the history of the village to get the Chief Minister himself to come and inaugurate the project. He believes that it will open up new opportunities for all the people in the area, especially in terms of agriculture, since 50% of the population of this area are dependent on agriculture.